Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can insert icons in an Excel sheet. So let's start. To insert an icon, select insert, then you select icons. Here you can see different icons are available here. If you click on analytics, you will see all the available icons from analytics. If you type apparel, uh, all the apparel related icons are available here. If you click on business, all the business related icons are available here. But we are, I think, education will be uh, fit in our example. From education, these icons are available. Okay, we can select uh, this one. Uh, we can even select multiple icons. I believe you know that how to select multiple. Click on control. By pressing that control, uh, keep selecting the icons, as many as you want. Okay, but right now we will select only one. That's why we are doing it again. That is, we are pressing control, and by holding it we are deselecting everything. Okay, just we are selecting one. Now click on insert. This icon is appeared here, so we want to keep this right here. So I am selecting this image and I am deleting that by uh, pressing the delete button from my keyboard, and I'm resizing it a little bit. Okay, so all these examples I am including here just to show that how you can insert images, uh, different shapes, icons. Okay, but you will structure your page appropriately, and then you can insert these things. Then this thing will look much more beautiful than the current situation. Okay, so this is how we can insert icons. That's for today. Thank you very much.